Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications on this watch in a few ways. The first way is to do it through the app menu. So if you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the crown button, then press it again to open the app menu. Now you should see the bunch of icons, basically the shortcuts for the apps. And if you want to use this menu to remove the apps, uninstall them, you need to press and hold on one of the icons, then tap on Edit Apps. And as you can see, some apps have this minus icon on them. Those are the apps that you can uninstall. And you can tap on one, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed. And if you want to exit the editing mode, press the crown button. Another way to uninstall the applications is to do it through the settings. So if you find the settings icon in the menu and tap on it, then find the option called Apps and Notifications. Tap on it, of course. Here find the App Info or App Storage. I believe the App Info is better because it shows you the list of apps right here. You have two categories, normal apps and system apps. Usually the system apps you won't be able to uninstall, and normal apps sometimes you should be. So scroll through this list, look for the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall button, then tap on Confirm. And the last way to uninstall the applications is to use the Play Store. So if you open the Play Store on your watch, go to the main page of the Play Store, okay, and here tap on Manage Apps. Right here you should see the list of apps installed on your watch. Find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall, and it will uninstall in a few seconds. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.